G'day, here's a parcel of seam opal from Lightning Ridge. These lend themselves quite nice to possibly doing some carving with some of the pieces. I'll zoom in so you get a better look. Okay, I've zoomed in. The rule's in millimetres just to give you an idea there. Pick them up and have a look, eh? This is really, the bars are going across looking at that piece. It's been rubbed a bit there. So it needs to be sawn and end up with stones that shape. Another piece, same thing. These pieces I think would be hours of fun dremeling to make little specimens, or use them to have them carved into something, or just freeform follow the clay and get rid of that. Or you can buy it and just keep it as it is. Specimens, quite nice pieces. Be a lot of fun carving those. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.